Hey guys, it's Mike again from TV Parts today. We're going to be removing the boards out of a VIZIO M60-C3. As always, if you have any questions or need to place an order, just call 1-800-203-7484 and let's get into it. Alright, first thing we're going to do today is work on this power supply. As you can see, it's got 4 cables connected to it, so let's get those removed. First step is first, you want to press down on that latch to release it, and you're just going to pull that straight out. Same thing with these guys right over here. Pinch it down at the top and just pull that directly out. Same with this one. And this guy right up top here. And then we've got 6 screws, 3 on each side. And then our power supply should be ready to be removed, and it lifts right on up. Alrighty, we're going to move on to the T-Con next. The first thing you'll notice is there's a plastic shield across the top. We will want to remove that. But first, take note of the clip that's right here. It's another pinch and pull out situation. You just want to get your fingers up underneath of there, pinch down on the top of that, and you can pull that cord straight out of there. Now, as far as the plastic shield goes, just snag a piece of tape from underneath of this TV unit, it'll be just fine. And whenever you peel it up on this side, it comes up really easily. Just pull that back and just kind of find a place to just notch it out of your way there. First order of business is to deal with these LVDS cables as well as these ribbon cables down below. Let's do these here first. You want to just get your fingernail up underneath of those and pull it out. Pretty simple. There's that. And these LVDS cables, as usual, they pinch in on the sides. You just pinch it and pull it out that direction. Now these usually are pretty snug, so just be very careful. Just kind of wiggle it, shimmy it if you will. There we go. There's one free. And on to the second one. Oh yes, excellent. All right, and then after that we've just got 6 screws. Let's get those out. And with T-Cons, you always want to be wary, just in case there's any adhesive on the bottom side. On these, I don't believe that there is, so this just lifts right up out of there. All right, next stop is the main board here. We've got 3 cables attached. We have a little ribbon cable here, as well as these 2 wires going to the Wi-Fi module, and then 2 LVDS cables here. Do take note. This right here is attached by screws to the panel of the television, so be wary of that when we go to remove the screws on this unit. So let's just start with this one here. Pinch it and pull it out. And this guy right here, very simple, just pull it straight out and it's free. We do want to remove these 2 little connectors here, so very gently lift up on those to disconnect them. Excellent, very nice. Back on this side, let's remove this cable. And then again, we've got the other end of those LVDS cables. So, whichever one you have a better grip on, I'm going to try to go with this bigger guy first. Pinch it on the sides, and you're going to want to shimmy that. Oh, there we go. And this guy here, pinch it. And there we go. And I believe, folks, that is that. Let's get these screws out. And that should be it for this one. All right, and last thing that we've got going on here is going to be this LED driver. We've just got these 2 cablings here on the side we want to remove. And then we will work on these ribbon cables, and I will show you that momentarily. These guys are pretty simple, like usual. Just pinch down on the top, and you can just shimmy that on out. This guy's already disconnected from the main board, so this one's going to be pretty easy. Again, just pinch it down, slide it on out. Now if you take a look at these ribbon cables, you'll see that there's a strip of tape on both sides. You're going to want to remove that. It's kind of hard to get underneath there with my glove, so I just removed that momentarily. And you just peel that straight back, like so. Oh, it looks like, there we go. Start from this end here if that happens. There we go. There we have that one. And then these are pretty simple. Just get your fingernail up underneath of those flaps and lift up and pull it on out. And just go on down the line with these. That's one side down. And we start over here on this guy. Peel that tape back, and it's probably going to get removed about halfway through or so. Oh, it stayed attached. Excellent. Just keep on going. Same deal on this side. Lift it up and pull it out. Once those are out of the way, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and that'll be our LED driver. Be gentle removing this board as always. Just be wary of adhesive that may or may not be on the back. And there we have that LED driver. There we have it, another very simple removal video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, if you do subscribe to our channel, your first order with us will qualify for 20% off. Have a good one.
Thank you for watching another TV Parts Today repair video. If you have a question regarding your TV repair, post a comment and we will try to help. And don't forget,
you can help us and stay up to date by subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. Also, check us out on Facebook for exclusive promo codes.